Hey, I'm Will and Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos.
Alright, what we have here today is a 2007 S-Class. We're just adding a key. Probably do this with a lot of different programmers, but I like to use CGDI. I like to use, when I can, programmers that use the computer because I have more control over what's going on with these. And you know, like you could use Key Tool Plus for this, but you're just clicking one button. You don't really, not able to save data. I guess you can. It's just, for me, it's just way better to do it this way. So we're gonna open up Benz Monster. I'm not going to update it right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to compute password, copy key with key, collect data, other keys. So we're going to insert customer's key into the EIS. Click OK. Insert it into the device. Click OK. And you wait. Alright, as you can see, we're creeping up. 2, 4. We'll be back. Alright, we've counted down. It's been about 5 minutes. So please insert the key into the EIS. Click OK. Wait patiently. Pull out the key, click OK. Please insert the key into the EIS again. OK. Pull out the key for 5 seconds and then put it in. Click OK. Please insert the key into the device and click OK. Alright, our collection is done. Now we need to make a folder to be able to save all this info, and we're going to name it We're going to name it 7 Alpha 090592 2007 S500, and we're going to save that guy, and there, save. Alright, please upload the data to calculate. So like I said, I like doing it this way because I know where it's failed, when it's failed, what's going on with it. Now we're going to query the result. I did one with Key Tool Plus a long time ago. I can't even remember doing it. If that's what you got, I'm sure it works fine. Do it however you're comfortable with, but this is what I have, and this is what we're making a video with. So This should come back pretty quick. So in my folder, I'm also going to make a folder called keys. So we'll save our key tracks there, not a shortcut. In case this guy ever loses these keys, we can come back and make one easy. And one called password. So then we'll save our password. So we've got our password here. I'm going to copy that. We're going to paste it in here. And then just save that. Alright, so let's go to our EIS. Let's go ahead and read this data. We'll paste our password in there. We'll save our EIS data. I call it EIS with pass. Save file success. Alright, now we're going to generate our key file. Load EIS with pass and then generate. So all in all, 15 to 20 minute job here. I think I'm on my satellite internet and I'm stuck under a tree, so I'm going to switch over to my hotspot. And try to generate these again. Yep, looked like that what did it. Gotta have your good internet. Alright, so we're going to save that in the folder we made called keys. Key file generated successfully. So now we'll go to read write key. We're going to put our new key in. We're going to read it. And we're going to open the file to write. This actually tells you please choose 51 format. So we go down to number 7, choose 51. And it's going to write it and populate our EEPROM. Write success. Let's read it again, see what we're looking like. There you go, key position 7. Should be able to put it in the car. Start it up. Job's done. Have a nice day.